Okay, so now let's move on to our Q&A section. It seems there are a lot of friends leaving our messages and questions, and there are a lot of, but because of the time here, we can just pick up few of them for you to answer now. And if later we cannot answer your question, no problem. We will also answer your question and reply you in the email. So please remember to stay us and send your request, inquiry. If you have any questions, just send to us. So let's check the first question we have now. The first is, will the elevator steel rope break? It seems everyone cares about these questions, Leo. So can you give me some idea for this question?
Yes, so it's also the professional questions, and a lot of the customers they value the cabin and the safeties, especially the wear rope, and the very wear rope will may be broken.
Yes.
But in fact, this will be no happen. Let me tell you why.
Why?
Because you know the wear steel is the steel wear is the especially materials, and in China government is the use the professional technology to check the wears rope.
Yes.
So it's stronger, and you know what the cabin. And in fact, 1 week, one cabin or one lifter maybe more than 4 or 5.
Oh,
yes.
Yes.
If even broken, maybe one broken, no, maybe at the same
4 of
time,
them,
or
yes.
4 or 5 broken.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, I think no people they can use the knife to cutting.
Yes.
Yeah.
It seems that knife cannot break.
Yeah.
Right?
So yeah, I think this you know what is issues.
Yes.
So in fact, the lifter is safety. The biggest safety is the number one safety is the transport in the world.
Yes, but we see a lot of this situation in the movie. When we see the movie, the elevator usually fall down because of the steel rope cut or break.
Yeah.
So I think this is why so many customers are worrying about the steel rope will break and the elevator will fall down.
Yeah.
But actually, we have a lot of safety features for the elevator. So the elevator falling down actually is seldom happen if you have a very good maintenance team and check the lift regularly. Okay, so let's move on our next question. So our next questions will be, what is the differences between the machine room lift and the machine room lift? It looks a very professional questions. Leo, do you think you can answer this question?
Okay, this is also the professional questions. In fact, the lifter have 2 type passengers, especially machine room or machine room less. And what is the machine room? It's mean on the shaft top, they have machine room.
Yes.
And the motor and the control system will put in the machine room on the top.
Yes.
This one type is traditional shaft. But recent years, and the technology development, now we can use machine room less. It means no need machine room.
Whoa.
And we can put the motor on the shaft, so you can save the space.
Yes.
But in fact, the machine room less is more expensive. It means you can pay more money.
Yes.
But there's no problems. And according to your architectures, and according to your which one you want to pay, so there's no problems. We can provide the best resolution for you.
Yes, right. It's really a choice from our architectures. Yes, we have 2 types. Sometimes I know some of the countries, they have limitations for the height of their building. So I think at this time, our machine room lift is very helpful, especially in some Australia country and some European countries. They have limitations. They cannot make too high for their building. So let's go to our next question. So what is it? Okay, so it's also very popular questions.
Yeah.
What should I do if I trap in the elevator? So what should I do? So what should the passenger do if they trap inside? So you see a lot of times maybe the elevator stops and the people inside they are very fear. So what exactly they can do?
Because the lift use the powers. sometimes the no pause, maybe the cabin will stamp or stop. But according to the technology, to study show about 70%, 70% maybe problem is the door systems. If the door systems is broken, and you will be trapped in the cabin. But this time, no fear and no worries. But you must cannot approach the door. You must stay in the cabin and waiting for the professional technology to come to here to save you.
Yes.
Yeah, so there's no worry.
Yes. So next time if you're so unfortunately you're trapped inside the lift, first thing is you need to keep calm and don't touch anything of the lifts, because if you touch wrong, and maybe there's some dangers.
Yeah.
But for the owner of the building, please take good care of your lifts. You need to have your lifts regularly checked. You need to have a professional maintenance team. And you know, our company can give you a very full support. During have any problems for your lift, please remember to contact us. Our engineers are very pleased to help you to solve the problem. So let's make our world more safe, and let's make our lifts more safe. So thank you, Leo, for explaining so many questions for us. And I think there's still a lot of questions from us, but you know, we have limited time every day here. Later, if you have any questions, please remember to send us email. Our colleague will reply you in a very short time, no matter you have new projects, no matter you have our old project before. If you have any questions, you can send email to contact us or call us. We will help you to solve the problem.
Okay, so thank you, Kate, and to help me to explain so many questions what happened, especially traffic and sometimes maybe the door problems, and tell you how to resolve the problems. Okay, I think now today's show is coming to end. And thank you enjoying our today's programs. And please keep focus our website and WeChat. Tomorrow lift show will talk about WINONE's cargo and car lifters.
Yes, you know, the freight lift and the cargo lift is also one of our strong products. Now, we have our capacity up to 18 tons, but I will tell you more tomorrow. And my colleague Stephen and my another partner will come to the live show tomorrow. They can give you more ideas on that. So please come back to us tomorrow at the same time. And also remember, send email to us, leave message to us. We will give you some big surprise. We'll offer you a very good price during the Canton Fair time. You know, it's a very tough time for us. We also hope we can do something for you, and let's solve this problem together. So I think it's almost today, right, Leo?
Yeah.
Okay. So later we will still have some videos of our customer, and here I need to say thank you for all of you for your supporting. Now is a special time for us, I know. You can still spend some time for us. It's our great pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So we see you tomorrow.
See you
Goodbye.
tomorrow. Bye-bye.